Hello learners, how are you? We are going to solve today factorization, that is exercise 13D, and I will solve only alternate questions, that is even placed questions. Now question number 1 is x square plus 6x plus 8. It is a trinomial because there are 3 terms. So to solve it, just multiply the coefficient of x square and 8, that is 1 and 8. Then it will be 1 into 8 is equal to 8, and since the sign of 8 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 8 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 6. Now as we know that 8 can be written as 1 into 8, but 8 plus 1 is 9, and this is not applicable, so we will write it as 2 into 4. That imply we can write it as x square plus 2 plus 4 x plus 8. Hence it will be x square plus 2x, because plus into 2 into x become 2x, plus 4x plus 8. By taking x from common, x and 4 common from these two terms, it will be x bracket open x plus 2 plus 4 bracket open x plus 2. Hence the answer will be x plus 2 into x plus 4. Simple. This is your answer. Too easy, right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is a square plus 5a plus 6. Since it is a trinomial, that is why we will multiply the coefficient of a square and the constant term, that is 6, and the 1 into 6 becomes 6, and since 6 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 6 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 5. And as we know that 6 is equal to 2 into 3, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so we will write it as a square plus 2 plus 3a plus 6. Then it will be a square plus 2 into a become 2a, and plus into plus will be plus, 3 into a will be 3a plus 6. Now take common from these two terms, so it will be a into a plus 2 plus 3 into a plus 2. Then it will be a plus 2 into a plus 3. You have your answer. Too easy, right? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is a square plus 5a minus 6. Since it is also a trinomial, so we will follow the same step, that is multiplying the coefficient of a square and the minus 6. Then it will be minus 6. Since sign of 6 is negative, so we have to find the factors of 6 in such a manner that their difference will be equal to 5. And as we know that 6 is equal to 1 into 6, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, so we will put 6 minus 1 in the place of 5. That implies it will be a square plus 6 minus 1 into a minus 6 equal to a square plus 6a plus into minus become minus, 1 into a will be a minus 6. Now take common from these two and these two terms. Then a bracket open a plus 6 minus 1 a plus 6. Now take a plus 6 as common, then your answer will be a plus 6 into a minus 1. This is your answer. Now for question number 7, the question number 7 is a square minus 3a minus 40. Since it is a trinomial, so we will multiply 1, that is coefficient of a. We will multiply the coefficient of a square and the minus 40. It will be minus 40 since the sign of 40 is negative. So we have to find the factors of 40 in such a manner that their difference will be equal to 3. And as we know that 40 can be written as 1 into 40, but 40 minus 1 is 39. 2 into 20, 2 minus 20 minus 2 is 18. 4 into 10, 10 minus 4 is 6 plus 5 into 8, so 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we can write it as 8 minus 5a minus 40. That implies a square minus 8a minus into minus plus 5a minus 40. Now take common. Then it will be a minus 8 plus 5 a minus 8. Now take a minus 8 as common. Then your answer will be a minus 8 into a plus 5. Simple. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is x square minus 10xy plus 24y square. Now since it is a trinomial, the coefficient of x square and the 24, it will be 24. And since sine of 24 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 24 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 10. And as we know that 24 can be written as 4 into 6 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So we will replace 10 by 4 plus 6. Hence it will be x square minus 6 plus 4xy plus 24y square equal to x square minus 6xy plus into minus minus 4xy plus 24y square equal to, by taking common from x square minus 6xy and minus 4xy plus 24, it will be x into x minus 6y and minus 4. If you take minus 4y is common, then it will be minus 4y into x minus 6y. That means x minus 6y into x minus 4y is your answer. Simple. Question number 11. Question number 11 is 3a square minus 5a plus 2. Since it is a trinomial, so we will solve it similarly. Now multiply the coefficient of a square and the constant term, that is 3 and 2, it will be 6. And since the sign of 6 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 6 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 5. 3 into 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we can write it as 3a square minus 3 plus 2a plus 2. Then it will be 3a square minus 3a minus into plus minus 2a plus 2 is equal to 3a minus 1 minus 2 a minus 1 is equal to a minus 1 into 3a minus 2. Simple. You have your answer. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is 2a square minus 17ab plus 26b square. Since this is also a trinomial, so we will multiply 2 and 26 here, it will be 52. Now since the sign of 52 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 52 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 17. And as we know that 52 is equal to 1 into 52, but the sum of 1 and 52 is 53, and 52 is also equal to 2 into 26, but sum is 28, and also 52 is equal to 4 into 13, and 13 plus 4 is equal to 17, so we will replace 17 from 13 plus 4. So it will be 2a square minus 13 plus 4ab plus 26b square. Now it will be 2a square minus 13ab plus into minus become minus 4 into ab will be 4ab plus 26b square. Now take common from this and this, it will be 2a minus 13b. and minus 2a is common, minus 2b is common here, so it will be 2a minus 13b. Hence the answer is 2a minus 13b into a minus 2b. Simple. Question number 15. Question number 15 is 4c square plus 3c minus 10. And since it is a trinomial, so we will solve it similarly. So we are going to multiply 4 and minus 10, and it will be minus 40, since sign of 40 is negative. So we have to find the factors of 40 in such a manner that their difference will be equal to 3. And as we know that 40 is equal to 5 into 8, that implies 4c square plus 8 minus 5c minus 10 is equal to 4c square plus 8c minus 5c minus 10 equal to 4c is taken as common from these two, then it will be 4c c plus 2 minus 5c plus 2, and the answer will be c plus 2 into 4c minus 5. You have your answer. Now question number 17. Question number 17 is 6 plus 7b minus 3b square. Since it is a trinomial, so we will multiply 3 and minus 3, 6 and minus 3. It is minus 18. Since sign of 18 is negative, so we have to find the factors of 18 in such a manner that their difference will be 7. And as we know that 18 is equal to 2 into 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So it will be 6 plus 9 minus 2b minus 3b square is equal to 6 plus 9b plus into minus minus 2b minus 3b square. Now take common, then it will be 2 plus 3b minus 2b minus b, 2 plus 3b, and the answer is 2 plus 3b into 3 minus b. Simple. Now question number 19. Question number 19 is 4 plus y minus 14y square. Since it is a trinomial, so we will multiply 4 and minus 14, it will be minus 56. And since the sign of 56 is negative, so we have to find the factors of 56 in such a manner that their difference will be equal to 1. And as we know that 56 is equal to 8 into 7, and 8 minus 7 is 1. That is why we can write it as 4 plus 8 minus 7y minus 14y square is equal to 4 plus 8y minus 7y minus 14y square equal to, taking 4 as common, then it will be 4 into 1 plus 2y minus 7y is as common, then it will be 1 plus 2y. Hence the answer is 1 plus 2y into 4 minus 7y. Simple. Now question number 21. Question number 21 is 2a plus b whole square plus 5 2b plus 5 2a plus b plus 6. Now look at this, 2a plus b is 2 times here, right? 2a plus b here and here. That is why we are going to replace it by another variable. So let us consider that 2a plus b equal to x. That implies then it will be equal to 2a plus b whole square plus 5 2a plus b plus 6 will be equal to x square plus 5x plus 6. Now it is in the form of trinomial. So we will multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant term, that is 1 and 6. It will be 6. Since the sign of 6 is positive, so we have to find the factors of 6 in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 5. And as we know that 6 is equal to 2 into 3, so we will write it as x square plus 2 plus 3x plus 6. Hence it will be x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Hence it will be x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Now the answer is, now it will be x plus 2 into x plus 3. Since in question there is no x, so we have to replace x from 2a plus b. That is why the answer is 2a plus b plus 2 into 2a plus b plus 3. Simple. Number 23. Question number 23 is x minus 2y whole square minus 12 x minus 2y plus 32. Since here x minus 2y comes 2 times, so we will replace it by a. So let us consider that x minus 2y is equal to a, then x minus 2y whole square minus 12 x minus 2y plus 32 will be equal to a square minus 12a plus 32. Since it is a trinomial, so we will solve it similarly. Now 32, sign of 32 is positive, so we have to find the factors in such a manner that their sum will be equal to 12. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now we can write it as a square minus 8 plus 4a plus 32 equal to a square minus 8a plus minus minus 4a plus 32. Now take common a minus 8 minus 4 a minus 8, then the answer is then it will be a minus 8 into a minus 4. Now we have to replace the term a from x minus 2y, so the answer is x minus 2y minus 8 into x minus 2y minus 4. Simple. Now you have to solve the remaining question by yourself, and I'll upload the solution of remaining question tomorrow.